Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Cursor AI on your Windows system. So guys, let's start the video. So you can open any of your browser and simply search for Cursor AI download. And herein guys, you can see the official website cursor.com. You need to simply click on this link. So guys, it will redirect you to this page, and here you can see we have different downloads of Cursor available. It is available for desktop, on terminal, as well as you can use on web. In this video, I will be showing you how to install it for desktop. So simply click on this button, download for Windows. And you can see guys, my download has been done. Now to install, I'm simply going to click on this exe. Let me minimize my browser guys. And now here it is asking me license and agreement. So I'm going to select I accept the agreement and click on next button. This is installation location where it will be installed. If you wish to change, you can click on browse button and click on next button. And this is the start menu folder, click on next button. And here if you would like to create shortcut on desktop, select the first option. And if you want this on context menu, that is if you right click and if you want cursor option, then you can select this two option and click on next button. Here click on install button. So guys, the installation of cursor is started and it is done. It is asking me to launch cursor. Yes, I would like to launch, hence I am checking this and clicking on finish button. You can see the shortcut has been created on desktop. You can start with that also. So guys, you can see my cursor AI has been started. So guys, here it is showing me sign up or login button. So I'm just going to click on login. Now it will take me to browser, and here we have option continue to sign in. Just click on this button. So it will show you different option of signing in. So I'm just selecting continue with Google. So now you need to enter your username and password of Gmail. So after that it will redirect you to this page, and here customize your experience. So I'm not selecting anything, I'm just clicking on this maybe later. So we are skipping this. Even pro plan, I'm clicking on skip for now. I don't want pro plan. And now we have option share the data, so data sharing. So guys, I don't want to share the data, so I'm just clicking on this and clicking on continue button. So connect to GitHub, so I'm just skipping this also, maybe later. And then log in to cursor desktop. Yes, log in. So guys, all set. So successfully logged into cursor AI, and now I will close this browser and I will go back to my cursor desktop. And here you can see the login has been successful. It's showing me some plugins. So right now I'm not installing any plugin, so I'm just clicking on this skip button. So guys, now setup is done. Here we have option of opening a project and creating a new project. So I'm just selecting creating a new project option, and then here we need to browse our folder. So now here I'm just taking one of my folder guys, and as soon as the folder is open, so guys it's showing me welcome to cursor, and now you can enter your details whatever you want here. So I'm going to create one project. So for that I'm just typing whatever you want to generate, you can simply type here. So I'm just going to type here. So I'm creating REST API for student management system using a Node.js and Express. So that detail I have given over here. So now it will do everything for you, and in between it will ask you certain permission like accessing a file, folder, permissions and some other permissions. So just allow everything. And guys, now you can see the project is created, and here we have options of going to server. So just click on the link, and here you can see my server is running, right? So now if you want to test the API, you can test also. So here I'm just taking my local host students, and now it's showing me all the data which is there in student. Okay, so you can create a high level project also. This video is for how a cursor is installed. I hope guys by following my video you are able to install cursor. In my next video, I will be showing you further part of this, some advanced commands I will be showing you. So that's all guys from my side. I hope you really like this video. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any query, you can put in comment box. I read all my comment. And guys, share my video as much as possible. I have given all my social media link in description box. Certainly you can join or visit my website also. And guys, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. I create lots of video related to AI and other programming language. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning, guys.